Hello, my name is Michael Herf with Arizona Roofers. Here for my Gloria Acosta. We're her chosen contractor for the job. I'll be conducting a repair test. I'll be removing this shingle right here that has obvious wind damage. I will be replacing it with this architectural shingle. For me to remove it, I'll have to unfasten the nails right here and above it to get that shingle out, and then I'll replace it with that one. All right, here we go. As I'm just trying to nail this shingle in, this is completely cracking. I cracked at the seam and at these tabs. So it's not repeated. As I was trying to fasten this shingle in, it cracked right here, right at the top of the shingle. This tab just broke apart. Kind of hard to see, but there's creasing along here from me trying to nail this shingle in. Ripped right there. Creasing and granulose right here as well. Same thing over here. Hard to see because it's a darker material, but creasing right there. So with this, I mean, if you try to repair any other areas of the roof, you will damage the shingles around it because these shingles are older. They're very brittle. So with this, I would say it's a failed repair test. There's no way you can repair any areas of the roof without damaging the shingles around it. All right, with that, thank you for your time.